Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Pick a reliable high-current charger and a good cable, and make sure the phone has decent battery health. Once ready, close background apps and enable airplane mode so the phone draws minimal power while charging. This concentrates current into the battery and speeds charging. Plug the cable fully into the phone and adapter, then connect to power. You should see the charging animation quickly. This confirms the phone is accepting. Once done with the initial connection, optimize conditions to sustain fast charging. Set the phone on a cool, flat surface and remove any case so heat can escape. Make sure syncing, app updates, and location services are off because they increase power draw and slow charging. If possible, leave the screen off. A dark screen reduces consumption and lets the charger push more current into the battery. By controlling temperature and load, you keep charging speed high and efficient throughout the session. To finish, let the battery reach the desired level. Many prefer stopping around 80% for longevity, but you can go to full if needed. Once done, unplug the charger and resume normal use. If you don't get fast charging, make sure you use the right adapter and cable. Try swapping them and restart the phone. Also check the charging port for lint or a loose connection and clean gently if present. If problems persist, test with a different outlet or contact support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.